Good morning to all. Let us start the chapter probability for class 11 and 12. Four persons are to be chosen at random. Let us take one question. Four persons are to be chosen at random from a group of three men, two women, and four children. Find the probability of selecting one man, one woman, and two children. Second part, exactly two children and two women. Third part. The four person you have to select are to be chosen at random from a group of three men, two women, and four children. Okay, and you have to select first part one man out of three men, one woman out of two women, and two children out of four children. This is first part. And second part exactly two children. And two children you have to select from four children, and other two you have to select from men and women, and two women you have to select from two women. Other two you have to select from men and children. Just see one of solving. There are 9% total. Total number of persons here: three men, two women, and four children. Total 9% are there. Out of 9%, three men, two women, and four children. Out of this 9%, four persons can be selected in how many ways? 9C4 by using combination formula. Out of 9%, you have to select 4, that is 126. 9C4 combination formulas. The total number of elementary events, that is the sample space, that is 126. And you have to select one man, one woman, and two children can be selected. One man from three men, that is 3C1. One woman from two women, that is 2C1. Two children from four children, that is 4C2. Total coming 36 ways. Therefore, favorable number of elementary event is 36. Therefore, required probability will be 36 by total event, that is 126. Second part, exactly two children. So exactly two children means two children out of four children, and 2% from other 5%, remaining 5%. Because four children and other is 5, and 5C2 consists of three men and two women. Therefore, this can be done. Four children, you have to select 2, 4C2. Other 5, you have to select 2, 5C2. This is the elementary favorable number of elementary events coming 60. The required probability is 60 by total number of elementary events, that is 126. Okay, coming 10 by 21. The third part given two women. We have to select four persons of which two are women, and the remaining two are chosen from 7%. The consisting three men and four children. This can be done. That is 2C2, two women selected from two women, and other two you have to select from 7. That is coming how much? 21. Therefore, required probability is equal to 21 by 126, which is equal to 1 by 6. This question completed. I think it is clear. Let us take one more question. A box contains 10 bulbs, of which just 3 are defective. Total number 10 bulbs, 3 are defective. If a random sample of 5 bulbs is drawn, find the probability that the sample contains exactly one defective bulb. Out of 5, you have to select 5, and 1 should be defective. If there is 2 defective bulbs, no defective bulb should be selected. So out of 10 bulbs, 5 can be chosen at 10C5. Total number of bulbs in the content in the box, that is 10, 10C5. 5 bulb can be selected from 10, that is 10C5 by using combination formula. Quiz. So total number of elementary events, that is 10C5. Now, first part is exactly one defective bulb. There are 3 defects, other non-defect, that is 7 non-defective bulbs. The number of ways of selecting one defective bulb out of 3 and 4 non-defective out of 7, that is 3C1 into 7C4. Okay, which is equal to 5. The required probability will be 5 by 12. The second part, exactly 2 defective bulbs. Exactly the number of ways of selecting 2 defective bulbs out of 3 defective bulbs, and 3 non-defective bulbs out of 7 non-defective bulbs, that is 3C2 into 7C3. Therefore, favorable number of elementary event will be 3C2 into 7C3. The required probability will be 3C2 into 7C3 divided by 10C5, which is equal to 5 by 12. The third part, no defective bulbs should be selected. So no defective bulb means all non-defective bulbs. The number of ways of selecting all 5 non-defective balls out of 7. 7 non-defective balls, that is 7C5. This is the favorable elementary event 7C5. The required probability will be how much? 7C5 by 10C5. In this way, 2 questions I have completed from the chapter probability. Let's take one more question. Next question. 5 marbles are drawn from a bag which contains 7 blue marbles, 4 black marbles. So what is the probability that all will be blue? 5 marbles are drawn, means you have to select 5 out of 7 plus 4, 11. So all will be blue. The second part, 3 will be blue, means you have to select 3 out of 7, and 2 black, that means 4 out of 4 you have to select 2 black. The total number of marbles, 7 plus 4, that is 11 marbles in the bag, out of which 5 marbles can be drawn in 11C5. This is the process, 11C5. The total number of elementary event will be 11C5. There are 7 blue marbles, out of which 5 blue marbles can be drawn, that is 7C5. The favorable number of elementary event is 7C5. Hence the required probability will be 7C5 by 11C5. It is coming 1 by 22. The second part, all will be blue. That means 3 blue out of 7 blue balls and 2 black out of 4 black balls can be drawn. 7C3 into 4C2. The favorable number of elementary event is 7C3 into 4C2. The required probability will be 7C3 into 4C2 divided by 11C5. After simplification, you are getting 5 by 11. Okay. In this way, you have to complete the chapter of probability. Just let me discuss one more question. Find the probability that when a hand of 7 card is dealt from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, it contains all 4 king, exactly 3 king, at least 3 king. So all 4 king, total number of king equal to how much? 4. Then you have to select 4, C4, 4, and you have to select 7 card, 4 C4, and other 3 card non-king, except king, that is 48 C3. This is the favorable event. A total number of elementary event will be 52 C7. 52 C7. In this way, you can complete the remaining part. Thank you for today's class.